This tool claims it can build money-making websites in minutes. But after testing it, I found something most people won't tell you. Every day, new AI tools launch claiming, build passive income. Automate everything, make money while you sleep. But let's be honest, most of them look good on the sales page, fail in real life. So when I saw AI auto sites, I didn't trust it. But I tested it anyway, and here's the truth. You're probably watching this because you want a done-for-you website. You don't want to deal with tech, you want something that actually works, and ideally, something that can make money. So what is AI Auto Sites? It's a tool that claims to generate complete websites using AI, fill them with content, add monetization automatically. Basically, you press a button, right pointing arrow, website is ready. Sounds insane, right? Here's what you actually get. AI-generated website pages, built-in content creation, basic niche targeting, monetization, integration. It's trying to replace website builders, content writers, beginner SEO setup, all in one dashboard. Let me walk you through what I did. Step 1, logged into dashboard. Step 2, chose a niche. I picked AI tools. Step 3, entered keywords. Step 4, click generate. Within minutes, homepage created, blog posts generated, structure ready, no coding, no setup. Now here's where it gets interesting. When I actually used the site, it looked clean, content was readable, setup was fast, but here's what they don't emphasize. Content is generic, no real SEO depth, no traffic included. So yes, it builds the site, but it doesn't build the business. The creators are experienced in affiliate marketing tools, automation software. They know what beginners want: speed plus simplicity. From what I saw, most users like the simplicity. Beginners find it helpful, but experienced marketers say it's just a starting point, and I agree. Here's where it actually shines. Saves hours of setup time, good for beginners testing niches, no technical skills needed, fast execution. It removes friction, not effort. Let's be real, this is the deal breaker section. No built-in traffic, content needs improvement, not unique enough for ranking, can feel too automated. If you rely only on this, you probably won't make money. Low entry price, around $10 to $20, but upsells include more automation, extra features, traffic tools, so total cost can increase. Compared to manual method, slower, better quality AI auto sites, faster, lower quality control. So it's speed versus depth. Buy this if you're a beginner, you want fast execution, you're testing ideas, you hate technical setup. Do not buy if you expect passive income instantly, you don't plan to learn traffic, you want premium level sites, you're already advanced. So here's the honest truth. AI auto sites is not a scam, but it's also not a magic solution. It's a shortcut tool, not a full business system. If you use it smartly, it can help. If you rely on it blindly, it won't. If you still want to check it out, link is in the description. I've added bonuses if available, just go in with the right expectations. And if you're serious about making money, focus on traffic plus strategy, not just tools.